In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks from Truist in 2025 with a step-by-step guide that's simple and easy to follow. Whether you're new to bank services or just need a quick refresher, this video is here to help you navigate the process with ease and confidence. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Type in Truist Bank and hit enter to search. You should see the Truist homepage in the top results. Click on it to proceed. This is your starting point for accessing a wealth of information about your banking needs. Once you're on the Truist website, navigate to the contact section. This link is typically located at the top or bottom of the page, but can vary slightly depending on updates to the website's layout. Click on Contact to move forward. Here you'll be greeted with various ways to get in touch with Truist. On this page, you will find the Contact Us area prominently displayed. This is where you can find phone numbers and other contact methods to reach a Truist representative directly. If you have an immediate need or don't find other methods suitable, pick up your phone and dial the number provided. For domestic inquiries, they offer a dedicated line that ensures you're speaking with someone who understands your local requirements. It's useful to know the business hours they are available to assist. From Monday through Friday, you can speak directly with an agent from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If weekend hours suit you better, they're also available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturdays. If your schedule is particularly tight, remember that Sunday offers 24-hour automated assistance, providing a convenient option to address simpler queries or gather information about their services. If you prefer face-to-face interaction, you can stop by in person. It's always a good idea to check your local branch's hours or make an appointment ahead of time to ensure a consultant will be available to address your needs. You might find the appointment option in the same contact section or by navigating to your local branch's page. This can save you time and help avoid any potential waits. While you're there or on the phone, ask a Truist representative specifically about ordering checks. Their advisors are knowledgeable and ready to assist you with understanding your options. They can guide you through the process or direct you to further resources like specific online guides or ordering portals. By following these steps, you will successfully navigate your way to ordering checks through Truist, ensuring that you have all your financial documents in order when you need them. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your banking experience a little smoother.